Okay, so just want to apologize immediately because this entire video, or most of our footage, the mic was blown out using a webcam, which was foolish of me. There really wasn't any way to check it. I guess I could have, but I didn't. So I tried to do the best I could. I thought it'd be entertaining to film one of my best friends building a PC for the first time with his sister over. So I hope you enjoy, and I apologize again and again. I can't fix the mic now. I try to do what I can though. But if you have any questions about any of the components or anything like that, feel free. Let me know, or if you just want to comment on how terrible of a job we're doing, that's fine too. Anyways, I hope you're at least entertained. My official box opener right here. We're gonna have race to the bathroom as soon as I drink this, give you the best cup. I know, man. Alright.
By me, it's delicious, but man,
I love this so much.
Alright, so
I wish I could have one every morning. Put it on top of the motherboard.
I don't want to rip this shit. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to manual labor. I'm used to lifting bottles. I'm telling you. It's the case.
That's the case, man.
It's nice.
Yeah, it better be nice. So we got it up.
Everything's up.
Go ahead, plastic off.
I should get my GoPro.
This is nice. This is nicer than mine.
I didn't get my GoPro. It's set up.
Oh, really? Good.
It's in my book bag in my car.
You want to trade case?
Here. Yours is nice, dude. It's fucking huge. This is nice.
Dude, this is nice.
Which one did I pick?
High quality.
Which one did I pick?
You picked that Cool Master one. That's super ugly.
Oh.
It was just black. It had 2 bars on top. I mean,
I've never made. I don't know anything about computers. This is a fucking dude doing a computer build.
Dude, very obvious. Why don't you stay on this side so the whole world will look at your back all the time?
Well, what? I gotta do something.
Yeah.
Take love.
No, stand on this side. Go ahead and let's get it open.
Huh?
Go ahead and get it open.
Well, how do you do that?
I don't know. Let's figure it out.
The plastic part off?
I wouldn't have taken that off yet. But actually, I think this is a swinging case. Oh yeah. Oh shit, that's really nice.
Is this the first time you've seen it too?
Yeah. I mean, I saw it on the video. I think it was PC. I just googled 2015 best cases.
Can you touch that? I don't know.
Oh, you know what it is?
It came off.
Yeah, it's better to use from that. Oh, this is Phanteks.
What is that?
That's just a company. Dude, don't blow fucking smoke in your case, you moron.
It looks cool.
Doesn't matter. You do not want particles in there.
Oh, you don't want particles.
No.
See, the new strikes again. I will move away. That's why we
Stop living in the house. Fuck you. First thing he does as soon as we open the case out, he blows smoke into it.
That's what you do.
Even Alice would know better.
This is what not to do. This is a part of video what not to do. That's all. I mean, it's something not to do. You just learn something new. Here, you can control the GoPro with my phone.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was.
We gotta figure out how to open this thing.
Just that big.
Oh, nice. That's really nice.
Dual open.
I wish mine was like that. My panels just come off on the side. And this is cheaper than mine.
Here, look.
That's really nice. This is super nice, easy access. Because mine is pain in the ass. I gotta take out screws and stuff. Look
Made
at
in
that.
China, man.
Everything's made in China. That's where the good stuff's made. Crappy stuff's made in Vietnam.
I thought it was American made good stuff. Alright, I don't know what this is.
It really doesn't seem
Yeah. You don't know. Shit. This is super smart design. Look at that. Nice little filter in the front too. Hope you don't want to see that.
What do you mean? You don't have a CD-ROM?
No.
How are you supposed to? Oh, you supposed to put one in?
Yeah, I'm sure you can put one. Don't think about it.
What do we don't think about? We got Microsoft Office with CDs and everything in CD, baby.
Yeah, we'll get there. Did you ever get a memory card for that?
Yeah. I forgot you had one, but it was cheap.
I mean, you need one.
Nine rings. Oh, come on. Oh, it's not. It was left on after I took it off.
Shit, everybody put it wrong.
No, it's not charged.
Do you need USB?
Yeah. It's like cutting off.
How do we open your case if it's like 20 minutes?
Oh, we're gonna do that.
Look where you're going. You keep getting stuck in the tractor with your backpack.
I'm bad, man.
We're gonna have puppy dog pictures and stuff.
I don't know what. It doesn't say fragile on there.
Yeah, because it's not made in Italy.
Here we go,
You
with
say
the tires.
delay. That's cool. So we have to put our own stickers on.
If you want to.
Big ass instruction manual that men don't ever read and we won't ever read.
Yeah. This is the simplest part for the computer here.
What? Man, this
Look at that.
we got a fucking.
Yeah, man, I got you good parts. Seasonic.
Big old dope ass. Little. Nah, we don't do that stuff.
Yeah.
We don't do that stuff.
Cool, let's put this thing in.
So what do you mean? We'll put it in where?
Yep, this is the power supply. So it's going to be right here.
Facing this way?
You have to slide it in from the bottom on the other side.
Like this?
So,
like the way I'm
no.
doing it now?
Gina, look at there's no way that will fit that right there. No. So, no. Do it right here. I think it'll fit in there, no?
Where? What do you mean? Fit in where?
Gina, from this side, bro.
Oh, okay, I got you. Shit.
I know, I'm just saying.
This is new. We gotta take some time. Gentle care.
So, we can remove those. All these wires, I can pull these out. They're not attached to anything.
Okay.
Make it easier for you, bro?
Yeah.
Look at that. You're a fucking computer expert already.
Alright.
Now, if you look in the back, the holes need to line up with the holes on that.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yep. Fucking refrigerator doors in my way. Alright. Yep. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. Lined up.
Alright.
Like the P to the V, lined up.
Do you use screws from that, or do you use screws from this?
I mean, your thing's on here.
What?
Can I move this guy?
Yeah. Move it.
Oh.
Alice, and that camera go.
Move him around.
See that shot?
I mean, you don't need to read.
They hook you up.
But you don't need to read the instructions for all this. Look at all this crap.
No, we don't need it.
Do we need any of this stuff?
What happened to being a man 10 seconds ago?
I mean, I'm feeling very insecure right now.
I can
with all this.
tell.
I didn't know they were gonna
Use the
package.
screws provided screws.
What do you want us to use with all this stuff?
Bro,
That bad.
don't get worked up.
Calm down.
Too bad.
Baby
Calm
step
down.
it. You don't even use them all. Thank you, Alice.
Oh, you're giving it for no reason.
The woman, no, they give it to you in case you need one.
Alright, put this bad boy in. Alright, we could have numbered this a little bit.
This can't. No, this came with it.
Yeah, man. This is what happens when you buy nice stuff.
I dig it. There you go. So there's 4 screws, 4 holes, and what else we got? Fucking man, you're such a baby.
That's why you came to America.
This should be the labor of love.
Pick someone up at the gas station.
And have someone from the gas station
Probably
assemble your computer?
Probably like $5 an hour. Buying him a fucking Burger King meal too. Fucking love it. I'm telling you. I'm not a. Yeah. I'm not a handyman at all. So I'm brazen. I'm the one. I'm the sucker where I'm the one paying probably something that costs $60 to use or something. I have to pay electricians $400
That's why you need friends like Cab.
because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Dude, you need friends like Cab for that.
Yeah, actually, I am gonna be. Yeah, call
He
Cab
actually does a
over.
lot of work for my parents' house now.
Does he?
Yeah, like he's done some major construction.
That's what I'm saying. We need a
He's like Chris Owen, but he's available.
Oh, yeah.
Have you
Yeah,
found
I do
him?
have. I do have
Have
a
you found him yet?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure I know where he is, but he won't pick up again. Because he doesn't love me anymore. Travel friend. You did that right. I saw you back off of it and then go the other way.
Wow, I hope
Nice
so.
technique, bro.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
I hope
pretty
so.
good.
It's fucking screwing. It's screwing for 15 years.
He's been screwing.
Oh no, longer.
15
Probably
years.
20. I got a kid that they. Yeah, it's been a long time.
Good screwer.
Good screwing, not so good.
One of the black sheep of the Asian population. Not good in that. Whoop.
Just let it crack.
There you go. Nice job.
Did it bend?
Almost fucked it up.
Oh, I thought it bent on the other side.
Hot right now.
There you go.
Extra security.
Now we got power.
Duct tape
So-
it.
Here we go. Go ahead, unwrap that, plug that end in there, put it in there.
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Teach you how to do this.
What the hell? Did
I said I built this thing 5 times now. He's like, I don't want to do it. Just tomorrow.
Yeah, but I didn't know it. I didn't know it until that's why I'm just gonna be looking and stuff
Hell no.
and commentating.
Hell no.
I can commentate.
You're commentating right now.
Yeah, but now I can't concentrate on the commentating part.
All right, cool. Now we actually have power, but we're only leaving it plugged in and off so we can ground ourselves.
I mean, is that off? I don't even know what's the circle mean. The circle's off?
Alice, what's the circle in?
I'm bad. I don't know anything. I'm sorry. I'm like a fucking
Is
infant.
it even plugged in yet?
It is plugged in, but we're not going to turn it on. We just want that
can't
hooked
turn it
up
on
so
yet.
it's the grounding wire. So you don't kill anything with static electricity.
Okay.
So go ahead and put that on your
He
wrist.
only knows the iPad.
Why?
Put that on your wrist, Sam
Whoa,
Smith.
whoa, whoa. Why am I gonna put this on my wrist?
It's anti-static arm down.
So you sound like electrocuted?
No, I don't want you to electrocute the components.
Yeah, not for your
You never really
safety,
go
Jim.
static electricity and touch your car door and get
No,
zapped.
I've never seen this before. What is this? I didn't know people do this.
Yeah.
Can this,
Okay.
can this create static?
No. It's supposed to ground you.
Create. You're not a superhero.
Did I find this superpower? Is this gonna work?
Is that
Yeah,
what
me too.
Alright, what's next? Alright, motherboard time.
I don't know, man. Any electricity?
Man, we're like an
Laugh.
eighth time. Let's get going.
That's it. It's been an hour.
Here you go.
Open this with this boot.
Open your Maximus 8 Hero motherboard.
My God.
My Asus. Take all these.
Boxes. Take all those away.
Yeah, that's what you do. You be the maid, man.
Hell
What the hell? I don't want to rip nothing up, but I'm just
I
gonna...
know, especially if we don't like something.
I'm
That's
actually
the
gonna...
display
You
case.
know what? They're always like this though. They're always like, yeah, it unfolds like that.
Can I just take a blade to it?
No?
And just pop it up? No, it don't pop up. Fucking... Video...
Hold on.
You can't open a box!
Just rip it apart.
Dude, with this part.
Yeah. These fold out.
Oh no, what happened to your hand?
Oh shit, my static electricity. Protector. It broke.
Stefan,
DJ,
what's wrong with
DJ.
it?
Probably just monitor closer.
It's more than standing on top of the DJ booth with your hands up. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about scratching. This is what keeps me passionate about DJing.
Rhythm, you have it or you don't, you don't, you don't have rhythm, you have it or you don't, you don't, you don't, you don't. Oh!